Megan. My name's Josh. This guy behind you, his name's Steve. What are we doing? What's going on?
I'm gonna go skydiving.
Oh my God, whose idea was this?
Mine.
Your idea?
Well, it was both of our ideas. It was yours first. Yeah.
Who are these people you brought with you?
Well, I don't know them, but that's my best friend.
Cool, so what's the occasion today?
My birthday.
Oh!
My birthday. Me and my best friend are celebrating our birthday.
And how old are we?
27.
Oh, there we go, there we go.
Oh, well, happy birthday.
Well, mine was in June.
Are you 18?
27,
All right, so you decided to make a sky jump.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go up 14,500 feet. That door's gonna open up and Steve is gonna probably chuck you out of that airplane.
That's great.
We've got this game that we like to play, right? We're gonna let you go and we're gonna try to catch you. Sound good?
Yeah, as long as you catch me.
We only lost one last week, so I think we're in pretty good shape.
That's great.
All right.
Only one, you know, I mean, it could have been.
All right, well, we're gonna have a good time. Remember to look up at me and smile, breathe. There'll be a lot of air, I promise. Remember to have a good time. We're gonna do that. I'm gonna get ready, and we're gonna go do that thing. I'll see you in the airplane.
How was that?
Great. We killed it.
Want to stand up?
Yeah.
Holy cow.
My eyes watered like
Was that
crazy.
awesome?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
The free falling.
Pretty cool, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Oh.
Oh, it's cool. My face feels like there's still air in it.
So, Shannon, What did you think of that?
That was awesome. It was so scary at first, but it was really cool.
All right. Cool. What'd you like better, free fall or the canopy ride?